Hello dear students, welcome to my computer science class. So students, we were discussing the chapter Internet and search engines. So we have studied what is Internet, the different uses of Internet we have studied in our previous topics. Now searching the information on Internet, what are the different search tools we have studied, like the search engine and the subject directories. Apart from that, we have studied about the popular search engines. These are the different popular engines like Google, Dogpile, Ask Jeeves, Lycos, Yahoo and Bing. These are the different search engines. Now, today we will start with searching using Google. How can we search using the Google? So Google is popular for its web search services which indexes trillions of web pages so that users can search for the information they desire. So Google is the most popular site for searching information, and that is why the Oxford Dictionary has added a term Googling. Googling means searching something on the internet is called as Googling. So it is the most popular site for searching. Now let us see how can we search using Google. So as you can see that I have two search engines, Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome. So let us see first in Microsoft Edge. Double click it, it will open, and now since we need to search in Google, so I will type the web address, that is www.google.com. This is the address or URL for Google, and then you can press this arrow button or enter. So I am pressing the enter key, and here this page appears, the home page for Google, and then we can type anything here, whatever I want to search, like internet and search internet and search engines. If you want to modify your search, or if you want a focused result, you can add more keywords like IT Planet. So these are the different, these are the searches. These are the two basic searches. The first one that appears is the most accurate search regarding your terms, in which both the terms are used. These are there. Otherwise, a lot of searches are list of almost, here are the pages, different pages, and each page will consist of a number of search sites. These all sites consist of these words, internet and search engines and IT Planet. You can see here. These are the two videos. You can look here, look at these videos. You have to click on that, and what will happen? They will open. If you don't like those videos, if you think that it is not suitable for your whatever you are searching for, is it doesn't match that, then you can, this is the back button, you just have to press the back button, again it will open. You can click on another site, it will also open. If you don't like it, you can go back. So here it is mentioned, it is a video. There are sites also, so you can click on these sites, and this is the site. If you want more result, or you want to narrow down the results, like here it is written all, then news related to internet and search engine, you have to click on news. Then these are the different news related to your search items. Then images of internet and search engine plus IT Planet. It means we are searching for internet and search engine, and it also includes IT Planet. IT Planet is the name of your book. So here are the results. The first few results are the exact matches, and then this search engine sorts out or makes a list of all the sites which use all these terms. Now videos, if you want videos on this particular topic, these are the different videos. Then there are many other things. So this was about searching the internet using Google Chrome, or sorry, Google. So I hope you have understood till here that you have to enter the items here. And so, okay, one more thing. Whenever you type, what happens? A drop down menu appears which shows the predicted queries. If you are typing a single word or two words, Google predicts the search term. Like if you have typed Google computer keyboard, so these are the predicted search terms like computer keyboard shortcuts, computer keyboard price, computer keyboard tricks. And if you find the relative matches, what suppose you were searching for computer keyboard price, so you can click on that and you need not to type everything. But if you think that it is not matching my search, I have to search something else, then you can complete this by typing your query. Now, I hope you have understood till here. This is the page that appears when you click on a link or a website. This is a website. Now next is searching the web through the browser. You can search also through any browser. Now let us see the same browsing or searching using the Google Chrome. First we have seen the Microsoft Edge, which is another search engine. Now the Google Chrome. You can click it here. I have made the home page as the Google Chrome, so it is appearing like that. Otherwise, what you have to do, you have to type the web address here, like you have to type www.googlechrome.com here. Now for instant searching, you can type anything here also, and this is Google, and you just have it will automatically make a list of your search terms. Whatever you want to search, it will automatically make the list. So if I want to type, I'm not typing here www.google.com, I'm directly typing my search terms like internet. See the drop down menu, it is giving suggestions. Internet, I have typed only internet and it has started giving the suggestions. So I want to search for internet and search engine, so no need of typing more because it's already there. So I've clicked on it and these are the different suggestions. First is this, so maybe it is the accurate most the nearest search term which is of your this result is the nearest whatever you have asked from Google, nearest match. So these are the different suggestions that are given by, or the list of website that you have asked from. Like this is computer for, suppose this is what I was searching for. Now this is the PDF file. You can, this is a PDF file, that is portable document format. PDF is a short form of portable document format, and this is the document. If you want, like if you want that this is the correct thing that you were looking for, then you can download it. there are options to download it. For some sites it is disabled, like here we cannot find the download option, so we cannot download that. But for few sites you can download it, you can save the files. And suppose if you don't think that this is not, it's not matching your search, you can go back and search again. You can search that. Now after these list, there are number of pages, like you can click on the second page. This is the second page of search results. These are the different pages of the search results. You can check all these pages, but generally the first few are the nearest results. That means they match exactly what you want generally. If you want to refine your search or narrow down your search, you can use terms also, like if you want to check a specific video, you can use terms with a plus sign and you can search that. So these are the different searches. Now if you want that I want a special type of format, like I have told Word, if it is Word you can type, if you want a Word file then you will type doc, then all the Microsoft Words will appear. If you want, there are no doc files. If you want a PDF, you will write PDF, and see here all the PDF files have appeared. These are the different PDF files. These are the different PDF files. If you want a PPT, that is PowerPoint presentation, you will write a PPT and you will click on enter button or the search button. So these are the different PowerPoints on your topic. This is PDF, here this is a PowerPoint presentation. Now we have, because all these search engine modify themselves to make it more user friendly, we have this voice option. So we can type using the voice search option also, like you can type here internet and search engine, and see here so you can see how you have learned. I'm sure you have learned all these ways of searching the web. So I hope you all have understood this part. Searching the web through the browser, you have to type it here and then you just have to click the enter button. All these list will appear. You have to just scroll to see all the websites, and whatever website you think that it is matching your search, you have to click on the website. The website will open. This is the website, and if you don't like the website you can click on the back button and then click another link. So this was all about the chapter Internet and Search Engines. In the next part we will continue with the question answers. I hope students you like the chapter because it is a very interesting chapter. So thank you students.